Welcome to Marine Data Solutions, your trusted Starlink installer for yachts. Stay connected, no matter where the ocean takes you. Yacht owners, guests, and crew rely on uninterrupted, high-speed internet. Whether docked at Bahia Yachting Center, cruising offshore, or moored at Safe Harbor Lauderdale Marine Center. With broadband-level speeds, Starlink High Performance delivers stable internet, even in remote waters. Say goodbye to buffering and dead zones. At Marine Data Solutions, we customize each Starlink installation to fit the unique needs of your yacht, maximizing coverage and performance. From business calls to entertainment, navigation, and remote work, your internet experience should be as smooth as your voyage. Our expert team handles everything from secure mounting and network configuration to 24/7 post-installation support, ensuring optimal performance wherever your journey takes you. Marine Data Solutions, Starlink connectivity, anywhere you go.